We are at Daytona JLM Living, full amenity. Right here, hub drain, mop sink, floor drain. This is going to step into the men's room. A couple of lavatories, the 3-inch stacks, the urinal, floor drain, and then the toilet over yonder. Coming over here with a 4x3, I'm sorry, catching a kitchen sink. Do another 3-inch combo down to go that way. Catching a drinking fountain. Hub drain in the corner. An AC unit carrying 4-inch all the way down to 2 toilets on the left, 2 lavs on the left, and a floor drain in the middle of the restroom. We're going to carry on down here, 3-inch all the way down. We're going to pick up another kitchen sink right here, the 2-inch going up for the kitchen sink. Got 3-inch wide. Going to catch a floor drain over here for an ice machine, carrying 3-inch all the way out for an exterior clean out. 3-inch over here to a 2-inch hub drain with the vent, mechanical room, carrying it down 3-inch here. Same thing, 2-inch hub drain with the vent. We're gonna go over there and do the fitness building next.